All right, guys, today is the 24th of May. This is the first trade of today on this account, and I'm taking a system B sell all the way down here for $50 profit, and we'll see how much profit we'll make today. So far, I have made, this is actually the second trade on this account. So far, I started this account with $250, and I have made 200%, and I'm still growing the account, and I'm trying to get to $1,000 hopefully before the end of the week, and we'll see how this plays out. If you're wondering how I'm doing this, how I'm trading the markets without any indicators except for my software doing all the analysis, which you can get with the course. If you want to buy the course and learn, you can go to hedgingmastermind.com. And if you want to get the software also, it comes free with the course. You can also copy my signals. I'm still doing free signals to the end of June. If you still want to continue to get those signals, sign up with my link, Milgram Markets, the same broker I'm using to take these trades. And you'll be able to copy my trades for 6 more months. You'll be added to a private Telegram group where we will share our Zoom. And if you want to use your own broker, you can get my signals from hedgingmastermind.com. With that being said, we will be right back when we're into more profits in the markets. The trade is still going. The trade is still going. The trade is still going. Remember, all you have to do to copy my free signals is to sign up with the same broker I'm using, Milgram Markets, link in description. And yeah, just send me your ID and make sure you have your account funded. You need minimum of $500 in your account to be able to copy my trades, whether you're using my broker, the same broker I'm using, or your own broker. And yeah, we'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market. Like, share, and subscribe. All right, guys, we are moving more and more into more profits in the market. Like, share, and subscribe. If you want to buy the course and get the software that helps me do all this analysis, tells me when to buy, tells me when to sell, where to hedge, the market trend, tells me when to swing trade, scalp trade, and we'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market. All right, guys, there you have it. Take profits hits, take profits more than hits. When I say the market must go down, it must go down. That is over $50 in profits right there in just a couple hours. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. If you want to copy my signals for free, join the link with the link in description markets with Milgram Markets. Make sure you have at least $500 in your account, or you can go to my website and get the signals, one-time payments for 1 year. Or if you want to buy the course and get the software that does all the analysis, gives me all my trades, you can go to hedgingmastermind.com, and we'll be right back with another trade soon. Like, share, and subscribe.